I'm Charles Ross with Citrix. I run the CloudBridge business unit, and our demo is actually running from our booth over here in the corner by Shoaib, and he's doing all the hard work. So today we'll be demonstrating two things. One, reliable network connectivity across multiple WANs, and secondly, secure internet breakout using partner Zscaler. As you look at the diagram, we are running all of this in soft layer. Instead of AWS, there was a lot of AWS showing up. We said let's show something different with soft layer. We'll be showing Citrix Xenapp, which is used by 95% of enterprises in the world, so I thought it was a common application to show. And it'll be delivered via CloudBridge Virtual WAN, which is our SD-WAN product, end-to-end. We'll also be using HCX Insight, which is our visualization tool, to show how the applications are performing. So we'll start with the fractional T1. So Shoaib, why don't you start the session? The first report that you're seeing on what you just saw is the network as it is today, not much consumption going on, and we'll start Citrix Receiver, which is the common end view of how these applications are consumed. And what you're seeing is a virtual desktop. It's a virtual Windows desktop. And as that comes up, you'll see that the bandwidth consumption will start increasing, and it'll fill up the meager pipe of the fractional T1. And as that goes up, you should start seeing the impact of the video. Shoaib's going to bring up a video session here and show some airplanes flying. There we go. It's a real demo, so it's taking some time for it to come up. Here we go. And there's our airplane flying, and you should see the video, the bandwidth consumption increase on the report. Now, that's not the best video. It is being affected by WebEx a little bit, but it is choppy and it's grainy, so not the best experience to deliver. Let's go to our monitoring tool, Insight Center, and with that we will see, are you going to Insight Center, Shoaib? We're going to see how the overall net user experience is, clearly choppy with latency, and we can double click into that individual session to see what is happening with that user on the WAN. And once you see that, here we go. A lot of congestion, about 150 milliseconds of congestion-induced delay. Not good for the user. So let's give it more bandwidth. That's what the whole idea is about SD-WAN, right? So let's give it more bandwidth. Let's turn on the 6 megabit link. And as we turn on that link, you see on the diagram, that link, Shoaib's going to turn that on. And as we turn that on, you'll see that the session will start coming up. And we'll turn on the broadband link as he will show it. There we go. Click that. Both links are on. We're bonding the two essentially over a virtual WAN. And traffic is now running across both links at the same time, so with a smooth transition. So the video will take some time to adjust to that, so you'll see it get better. Now it is over WebEx, so we're at the limitation of WebEx's resolution, but the video will get better, and the frame rate should increase as the WAN picks up the traffic and as the video server starts sending it with the new rates. So you see a little bump on the traffic, and you see that Insight Center showing that the latency has come down. So all things are related, and now we're using all the bandwidth available. And if you go back to the video, I think the video should have gotten better. Shoaib, you want to show the video? Okay, there we go. The resolution has gotten better. We are at the vagaries of WebEx, so you probably aren't seeing the full effect of the video becoming better. But you're welcome to see it at our booth. So that shows you how we put everything together. And the one thing that you didn't notice was any stoppage of the video. We smoothly expanded from one link to two links with no interruption whatsoever. So that's the power of, again, our SD-WAN implementation. Now, let's stop one of the links, and you'll see that nothing else happens again. It's all smooth, so we cut one of the links, and when we cut the link, video still continues because it has already moved over to the second link, and everything is still running smoothly. So therefore, from a business perspective, everything is all running hunky-dory. So we just turn off the link, and video is still running again with the WebEx limitations. So that's our reliable network connectivity demo. And let's move on to the other demo of secure internet breakout. So for that, it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to go and start showing you how we are connecting from the branch to Zscaler. And for that, it's a really simple test. We will go and do a Google search. So let's open up a browser. There's our browser, Google search. And to show you that it's live, we're going to check the time in New York City. How about that? Real easy, 11:59. Check your watches. Probably correct time, right? We're good. And let's do something non-business. Shoaib, let's go to playway.com. Let's try that out. What happened? Thankfully, we're blocked. So Zscaler works. We're all good. So we have secure internet breakout. I think we're out of time. So thank you for listening. And if you have more questions, come to our booth and take a look at our demo with Verizon LTE as well.